Hey my little Frenchies, how are you? It's Mervin Gowry and you're watching What the French, the channel that will teach you how to speak French the right way. And today we're going to talk about the imperfect, the other past tense in French, which is not that hard. So stick to that video and at the end you will learn the 5 situations in which you can apply the imperfect right after this. Alright, so basically the imperfect is used to express a repeated action, an incomplete action, or a state of being. So I'm just going to go through 5 different situations in which you can use the famous or infamous imperfect. First, we have the habitual actions, alright, or state of being. For example, last year, I was working with my dad. L'année dernière, je travaillais avec mon père. L'année dernière, je travaillais avec mon père. So this is the first case scenario. You can use the imperfect. Next, and it's mostly used in novels when you write a story and you want to describe something, anything like the time, the weather, a mood, or anything. For example, if you want to say the weather is nice, it would sound like the weather was nice. Sorry, it would sound like il faisait beau. Il faisait beau, from the verb faire, to do. So there you go. Second one. Third situation would be to express an action with an unspecified duration. For example, he expected to see you when you would come. Il espérait te voir à ton retour. Il espérait te voir à ton retour. Next one would be to express a wish. For example, if I were rich. Si j'étais riche. Si j'étais riche. Fifth and last one is like you can use the imperfect to express a condition. Alright? For example, if I had money. Si j'avais de l'argent. Si j'avais de l'argent. So there you go, the 5 main situations in which you can use the imperfect, which differs from the compound tense, the compound past tense actually, because the imperfect expresses a specific event that happened in the past, whether or when the compound past expresses an entire past situation. So there you go, and now you, with this video and the previous one about the compound past, now you know all about the past tenses in French. How cool is that, right? So this is what this channel is about, like short videos that you can watch, that you can listen to in the background, and I hope you do. Thank you for subscribing and watching those videos, and I hope I can keep on helping you on a daily basis. I post daily, so make sure you subscribe and hit the bell so you get notified every time I drop a new video. Thank you again, and I'll see you in the next video.